wasn't holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
One way to achieve comprehensive battle space surveillance and agile combat employment from different altitudes at different angles, making mission planning dynamic and flexible. These are benefits that the U.S. Air Force cannot afford not to have. The service plans to spend over $6 billion over the next 5 years on developing CCAs. The Air Force is expected to launch a competition in 2024 to decide which contractor will develop these aircraft. Anduril, Boeing, General Atomics, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman are the 5 contractors already working on possible CCA designs. A down select from the initial 5 contractors down to 2 or 3 is expected later this year. Dozens of additional firms are supporting the program through the development of autonomous technologies, sensors, and other mission systems, command and control capabilities, and more. The goal is to have a CCA design actually in production by 2028. It's quite a reach, but then again, the CCA development may not be starting from scratch. Some programs which share a similar goal with CCAs already exist. DARPA's Air Combat Evolution, Boeing Australia's MQ-28A Ghost Bat project, and the Air Force Research Laboratory's Skyborg program are only some of such programs aimed at developing manned-unmanned teaming capabilities in the skies. The Skyborg program already appears to be the choice for the Air Force. The service proposed $51.7 million in its 2024 budget proposal to transition Skyborg's autonomous flight technology to CCA programs. So some progress has been made with these unmanned aircraft. Once complete, each CCA is expected to cost between $20 to $40 million. At roughly the same price of an F-16 Fighting Falcon, they aren't expendable drones by any means. The Air Force plans to acquire at least 1,000 CCAs. It also plans to have